Latvia, a country many people have never even seriously considered. When people dream about Europe, they usually think about Germany, UK, Norway, or Switzerland. But quietly, smaller countries like Latvia are becoming new entry points for foreign workers. And the surprising part? Most people still don't understand why. Because while everyone is competing for the same popular countries, some migrants are choosing countries where competition is lower, opportunities are growing, and legal Europe entry feels more realistic. But here's the reality. Latvia is not a luxury destination. This is not the type of country where you arrive and instantly become rich. And honestly, if your expectations are unrealistic, Europe can become emotionally and financially difficult very quickly. So the real question is, can Latvia actually help you build a future in Europe in 2026? Or is it just another temporary work destination? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Latvia work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people never talk about. Because for some people, this small country becomes the first real step toward a completely different life. Now, first, understand one important thing. Latvia has been facing labor shortages in several industries. Many local workers moved toward richer European countries for better salaries. And because of that, companies started depending more on foreign workers, especially in sectors like warehouses, logistics, transportation, factories, construction, and manufacturing. And this is where opportunities started growing. Now, here's something important most people misunderstand. Sometimes your first country in Europe does not need to be perfect. Sometimes it only needs to give you legal entry, international exposure, work experience, and a starting point. And for many people, Latvia becomes exactly that. Now, let's talk about salaries. This is where many people become confused. Average salaries for foreign workers may range around 800 to 1,800 euros per month, depending on overtime, company, experience, and accommodation support. Now, compared to Western Europe, this may feel low, but here's the part most people ignore. Living costs are also lower compared to many European countries, and because of that, some workers still manage to save money, especially if overtime opportunities are available. But now comes the reality social media rarely shows. Life abroad can become mentally difficult. Cold weather, long shifts, language barriers, isolation from family, and emotional pressure when expectations don't match reality. This is why migration is not only a financial decision, it is also a mental challenge. Now, let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around 250 to 700 euros. Food and utilities may cost around 250 to 500 euros. Transportation is relatively affordable in most cities. So, overall, Latvia is still considered one of the more affordable European countries. Now, let's talk about the visa process. Most workers enter through employer-sponsored work permits. Usually, the process works like this. Company provides contract, work permit process starts, visa approval happens, then residence documents are issued after arrival. Now, here's the dangerous reality. Fake agents. This is one of the biggest risks. Some workers pay huge amounts without verifying employers properly. Others arrive and realize the salary is different, accommodation is poor, or work conditions are much harder than promised. And honestly, this destroys many people financially. That's why proper verification is extremely important. Now, here's another hidden truth. Many people use Latvia strategically. They gain European work history, legal residence experience, savings, and international exposure. Then, later, they try moving towards stronger European economies. And this is why smart strategy matters more than country hype. Because migration is not about impressing people online. It is about building your future step by step. Now, let's talk about language. English works in limited environments. For long-term stability, basic Latvian language becomes helpful. especially for daily life and local communication. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They think entering Europe automatically solves all problems. That is not reality. Latvia is not for luxury lifestyle, huge salaries, or instant financial success. Latvia is more about practical opportunities, legal Europe entry, stable work, and long-term planning. And honestly, for many people, that becomes life-changing. Because the truth is, some people spend years waiting for perfect opportunities, while others quietly move forward with practical decisions and slowly build a better future. So, the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your expectations, your long-term strategy. Latvia is not a glamorous migration destination, but for the right person, it can become the beginning of something much bigger. And sometimes, one small opportunity is enough to completely change your future. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.